So what is life expectancy? Life expectancy is the number of years of life that the individual is expected to live. For example, in Canada, the average life expectancy is 81 years old. Life expectancy is an average.
Regional variation. There is a great variation in life expectancy between different parts of the world. For example, the life expectancy in Zambia is 39 years old, compared to Ireland, where the life expectancy is 79. Factors affecting variation from country to country. This is mostly caused by differences in diet, public health, which is preventing disease and promoting health, and medical care. We cannot change our genes. Moreover, other factors that affect life expectancy are climate, diet, access to medical care, disease, population, sanitation, public health, obesity, smoking, and drug use. These factors have connected. Money. Much of these factors are affected by economic resources. Studies show that the life expectancy of poor individuals is much lower because, for example, they cannot purchase. Diet. Diet plays an important role in the overall health, for example, disease prevention. Food availability is a huge factor affecting life expectancy. It can vary from region to region. Some countries may have limited access to a certain type of food, leading to vitamin and mineral deficiencies. In addition, food availability may be scarce in some regions, for example, Africa. As a result, the life expectancy may be a lot lower because people are dying from starvation. On the other hand, there is an increase. Climate. Climate includes temperature, humidity, wind, and precipitation. It has a strong impact on a variety of environmental factors which in turn affect people. Climate affects agriculture by providing specific conditions to grow, which is important for food availability. Climate includes temperature, humidity, wind, and precipitation. It has a strong impact on a variety of environmental factors which in turn affect people. It affects agriculture by providing specific conditions to grow, which is important for food availability. Climate plays a role in which foods can grow in which regions. Climate affects where, when, and how much water is available for people to use. Moreover, climate affects the health of people. For example, vitamin D provided by the sun and is typically deficient during the winter months. Heat waves, severe storms, air pollution, and diseases linked to climate already threaten people's health in many areas of the world. For example, vitamin D is provided by. Public health is important to prevent disease and promote health. Public health in many parts of the world has reached crisis levels. Over 40 million people globally are infected with HIV/AIDS. The disease kills over 3 million people annually. One of the roles of public health is to provide education on sexual health. In addition, the number one cause of death in the world is cardiovascular disease. This disease can be prevented through education, for example, diet and exercise. Moreover, the importance of public health is increasing. Obesity is becoming a cultural epidemic in North America. Research has found that obesity can shorten a person's life by up to 10 years. Medical care. Gains in life expectancy worldwide have been greater during the last century due to medical care. It has several important functions other than restoring or maintaining health. In Canada, we have universal health care, which means everyone has access. On the other hand, in developing countries, medical care is more challenging to achieve. This has negative side effects on the life expectancy in developing countries because people may die from something that could have been treated if they had access to medical care. Sanitization is something we take for granted. A lot of developing countries do not have the same sanitization practices available. This can lead to the development of unwanted disease. I just don't know how to do it at the same time in my PowerPoint skills. For example, in many less developed countries, diarrheal disease is the leading cause of death. It is typically spread. Technology is constantly improving and is likely to provide help in advanced countries. As a result, most people will be able to survive chronic illnesses because they will be diagnosed earlier and get better treatment. In developed countries, doctors predict that today's babies are likely to live to age 100. In summary, many interrelated factors affect life expectancy, much of which are related to economic resources and availability of medical help. As a result, life expectancy is much higher in more developed countries. Thank you for your time.